Okay, so here's a question that's asking you to calculate the area of a triangle. So we identify the key topic area here. So it's asking us to work with x's, and it's given us some information about the perimeter. So again, highlighting the key information so we know what it's about, and all the measurements are in centimetres. It's got some x's on the picture, so that suggests quite strongly that we're likely to create an equation. An equation has an equals, and they're telling us what it equals in this case. It's a perimeter, and it equals 52. Perimeter means add up all the way around the outside of the shape, so we know this side will also be 4x plus 1, and if we add up all of this, then we end up with 4x plus 1 plus x plus 4x plus 1 plus x, and that equals the 52. If we simplify down this expression here, so that's 4x, 8x, 9x, 10x, so we have 10x plus 2 equals 52. So there's our equation. We need to solve for x, and we do that by working backwards to x by doing the opposite operations. So we subtract 2 from both sides of the equals. That will give us 10x is worth 50, and then we know that 10x means 10 times, so we can divide by 10, and that tells us the x value will be 5 centimetres, because we were told the units was centimetres. But the question asked for the area, not just to get the value of x, so we've got to remember what the target was for this question. It was to work out the area of the rectangle, and we remember that it's a rectangle, so the area is the length times the width. Well, we can see from the information here that the length of this rectangle is 4x plus 1. Well, knowing the value of x is 5, then this means 4 times 5 plus 1. So the length of this rectangle is 21 centimetres, and the told us the width of this rectangle is 5 centimetres, because we found x was 5. So the area is going to be 21 times 5, 105 square centimetres. Now that was centimetres, so centimetres times centimetres, square centimetres, so the answer will be 105. So basically, once we've identified the key target topic area for this question, that's about area, then we can recognise x is in the question, so we're likely to create an equation, therefore we need some other information. We found this was telling us about the perimeter and the value of the perimeter, so hence we could get our equation, solve the equation for x, and then use that value to work out the rest of the question.